everyone. Today we're going to talk about complements, objects, subject, complement, predicate nominative, and predicate adjectives. Now, complements. A complement is a word or word group that completes the meaning of a verb. For example, I enjoy books of all types. Another example, this book is suspenseful. Both words, books and suspenseful, in these two examples are complements because they complete the meaning of the verb. Moving to objects. Direct and indirect objects. Now, the direct object is a noun, pronoun, or word group that tells who or what receives the action of the verb. Direct object and indirect object come after action verb. For example, Alexander Graham Bell invented the telephone. What did Bell invent? The answer for this question will be telephone. So telephone here is direct object. Now, for more example, Miss Costa explained faults and earthquakes to my class. Now, in this sentence, we have the action verb explained. After explained, faults and earthquakes receives the action. So the direct object here is compound because we have faults and earthquakes. Indirect object. Indirect object is a noun, pronoun, or word group that sometimes appears in sentences containing direct object. So, let's see some examples. The first example, he fed the dog a biscuit. So if we ask, to what did he feed the biscuit? The answer will be dog. So dog here is indirect object and it comes between fed, the action verb, and the direct object, biscuit. Another example, I gave Ahmed and Sarah their tickets. Now, if we ask this question, to whom did I give the tickets? The answer will be Ahmed and Sarah. Now, both Ahmed and Sarah, they are compound indirect object. They come between gave, the action verb, and tickets, the direct object. Moving to subject complements. Now, a subject complement is word or word group in the predicate that identifies or describe the subject. We have predicate nominative and predicate adjectives. Let's start with the predicate nominative. Now, predicate nominative is a word or word group in the predicate that identifies the subject. Now, from the word nominative, it could be a noun or pronoun. From the word nominative, it's a noun. And it also could be a pronoun that functions as a noun in this sentence. For like, we have a note that it always comes after linking verb. The predicate nominative, it always comes after linking verb. For example, my brother may become a doctor. Now, become in bold, it's a linking verb. So after this linking verb, we have doctor, which is a noun. So, doctor here is related to my brother. It identifies my brother, the subject. And it's a predicate nominative because it comes after a linking verb and it identifies the subject, my brother. The second example, she was probably the best candidate. Now, was is a linking verb. and after this linking verb, we have the word candidate. Now, candidate it's a noun. This word is a noun, and it identifies also the pronoun she, which is the subject. So candidate is a predicate nominative because it's a noun and it comes after a linking verb and it identifies the subject she. The last one, a tiger is a wild animal. Now it's a linking verb, and we have animal, which is a noun, after the linking verb, and it identifies the subject tiger. So animal is a predicate nominative. Let's move to predicate adjectives. Now, predicate adjective is an adjective that is in the predicate as well and describe the subject. It's connected to the subject by linking verb as well. For example, yesterday I felt sick. Now, yesterday I felt sick. Felt is a linking verb. After this linking verb, we have an adjective, which is sick. So sick here, this word is predicate adjective. The second one, the ocean looks calm tonight. Looks, it's a linking verb, and after this linking verb, we have an adjective, which is calm. So the word calm here, it's in the predicate, so it's predicate adjective because it comes after a linking verb and it's in the predicate. So it's a predicate adjective. Now, let's identify complements. If we say the main character and narrator is Khaled, as you can see here, we have is, which is a linking verb, and after this linking verb, we have a noun, Khaled. So it's a predicate nominative because Khaled identifies the word character and narrator, which is the subject here, the compound subject, and it comes after a linking verb. So it's a predicate nominative. The second example, Khaled is responsible for farm during his father's absence. Now, it's a linking verb. After this linking verb, we have the adjective responsible. So responsible it identifies or describes Khaled, as well it comes after a linking verb. So it's a predicate adjective. Now here we have Henry David wrote Walden. Now Walden in this sentence is direct object because it receives the action verb wrote. And if we ask this question, what did Henry David write? The answer will be Walden. So Walden is the direct object. The second one, I promised Zaid and Umar two slices of cake. Now here, promised is an action verb, and we have Zaid and Umar are indirect object. Both of them are compound indirect object. And they come between the action verb promised and the direct object, which is slices in this case. So Zaid and Umar, they are compound indirect object. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.